I think the main thrust of the presentation at the seminar was about how do we tackle big problems that are affecting all public services and what's the best way to go about them. And I think the message I want people to take away is got to start somewhere. We've got to not think we're going to perfect it in one go, build it a brick at a time and change the culture and the way we do things.
What I demonstrated this morning was a cultural change from just the 999 response side, but through education, through engagement with our partners, working with social services, working with health, anybody that we will contact to identify vulnerable people and make them safe in the home. The other avenues that we're looking at, as the Minister mentioned this morning, is our youth education programs, the Phoenix program, working with children and youths who are on the verge of offending or who have offended, and we can positively influence their lives. So a huge effort in changing the way the fire service operates.
The main purpose of the workshop this morning was to show how partnership working can be effective, how people can pull together, and to show that there can be a productive outcome at the end of the project. With small beginnings can end up actually something that's working very well on a large scale.
The Preventative deal is fundamentally about looking at what people can do rather than what they can't do. It's about actually setting out with them a clear goal for what they want to do in their lives and what they need out of services rather than what services we think they need.
One of the key messages from this morning's seminar that I made in my speech and I would like to reinforce is that we as auditors and other regulators want to encourage well-managed innovation and risk-taking. People should not be risk-averse. People should be prepared, services should be prepared to look at different ways of doing things and innovate. We as auditors are prepared to accept and encourage that risk-taking as long as it's well-managed. So please don't see audit and regulation as a barrier, see it as something that will support you as long as you're doing it properly.